Hey heroes, Lorekeeper Pantigo here, and I just want to give you a few tips about 3D Game Lab and the Legacy Guild site so you'll know how to navigate and how to show you some things that you may not have noticed yet. So in 3D Game Lab, I'm actually in one of the courses that I'm enrolled in here, not actually a hero's journey, but I just want to show you how this works in case you're not familiar. Alright, so here I have my gamer tag. If I click on my name, I can pull up my gamer card, and I can see for this particular group that I'm in what my current group experience is. How much I need to win the course is actually 1250, but I actually have 1605, so I've gone way above and beyond because I'm pro like that. I can see how much XP I need to get to my next rank on this bottom bar here, so I'm actually leveled above the highest rank. Any badges that I've earned, any achievements that I've earned, and any awards that I've earned will show up here on my gamer card as well. And remember, to get to that, you just click on your name. Let me close that out. Now, when I'm in 3D Game Lab, I can actually click on quests here, and this is going to show me the quests screen. I can see how many quests are available to me. There are currently 6 that I can be working on. I can see any quest that I have started but haven't finished by clicking in progress. And then I can click completed to see any quests that I have already done. So this is a good idea, and also if you have any quests that your instructor, your lore keeper has returned to you, you'll see that here as well, like return quests, and I can go back and see maybe what I need to fix so that I can earn my XP for that quest. So let's switch over to WoWinSchool. Now you're going to see a lot more quests here than maybe that you see at this point available to you, because since I designed the course and put them all in 3D Game Lab, I have all of the different quests available to me. Understand too that these quests use a system that has what we call prerequisites in it. So in other words, just like a quest chain in World of Warcraft or Guild Wars 2, I can't get a particular quest until I've done the quest leading up to that. Now, on the Legacy Guild site, and hopefully you've registered there. If you haven't, there'll be a link over here for you to apply for an account. Please do that. I would suggest using your World of Warcraft or Guild Wars 2 character name so that we can kind of tell who you are when you're writing here on the site. So when you're here, I want to show you a place that I've set up with some resources for you. So if you'll click on 3D Game Lab, if you actually click that, it actually takes you right into a hero's journey in 3D Game Lab. Pretty cool. It'll save you a little time. Also, I've got a strategy guide in here. This is basically just some tips about how much XP you might want to have at different points throughout the year to get all the way up to the 5,000 experience points to win the class. There's some notes in here as well, and if you have any suggestions, please pass those along to me. We can add some more cheats and strategies to the strategy guide. In addition to that, anytime I make major changes to the course, I put them in the patch notes. So as you can see here, starting on 9/11 and continuing up from there, I've been updating quests to incorporate elements from Guild Wars 2 since we are now a multi-game project, which is very exciting. And lastly, and this is probably the most important part here of all these resources, are the quest chains. The quest chains, can't load Shockwave Flash. That's interesting. Let's see if I can pull it up over here. So we're going to load that up. Not Mary Poppins. No. Poppins. Poplet.com. Let's log in. Really? Please try again. Okay, let's try that again. I think I've got it working now. So I'm going to go to this link here, this little drop-down menu under 3D Game Lab in the Legacy Guild website, and I'm going to click on Quest Chains. And that's going to load up all of the available quests in World of Warcraft. Now that's very tiny. I can't read it. So let me zoom in here a little bit and show you how this works. Now this is available to all players of the game, so you can see exactly how things unfold in your journey as a hero. So all of you get the quest to start out with called Journey's Beginning, and then that opens up additional quests. Now you can't complete quests or these quests down here until you've completed these quests up here. So that means these are prerequisites to these courses, or these quests rather, down here. So as you complete quests, it opens up new ones for you in the system. So I just want to make sure that you understand how that works. And as you progress down through, once you get to the part where you actually create your character in Guild Wars 2 or World of Warcraft or whatever game you're playing, that really opens up a lot of options for you. So anyway, wanted to show you that. Make sure you know that that's available to you from the Legacy Guild website. Let me show you a couple other things here as well, and we'll be updating this throughout the year. One is the forums. These are places where you guys will be posting a lot of your writing and your fiction that you're writing and stories that you're writing about the games that you're in. We have a section here for officers in the various guilds to talk about the direction that they want to take the guilds and the decisions they want to make. They can discuss it here. These are discussions that might take place between students from completely different schools and across the country and even around the world possibly. We have sections for general discussion. You can come in here and post about anything you want to related to Guild Wars 2 in this section, World of Warcraft here, and I'll be adding some more forums to both of these. And then our particular quest posts are going to be in here. The Tavern Talks and the Lore and Legend quests are going to be in here. So when you are on a particular quest in 3D Game Lab that asks you to do some writing, it's going to link back either to the Tavern Talks here or to the journals for you. So let's see, where are our journals? Right here under activities, journals. These are unique to individual characters. So if you want to add a journal entry, make sure you're logged into the Legacy Guild website, click add journal entry and start your writing, and then just let your lore keeper know that you've completed that quest. You can look at all of the members under the roster section here. You can see everyone in here. If you haven't updated your player image or your gamer tag or those sorts of things, make sure you get those updated because it looks a lot cooler when people can see maybe your character. I think there's a quest for that too. We also have images in here. A lot of the quests actually have you do some image editing, or if you have a really cool screenshot you'd like to post, you can add those here as well. Let's see. There's some other things that you can do, site activities, guild activities. There's a shout box. If you're here visiting the site, stop by and just say hello. Say, hey, what's up, guys? Also, you can link back to the World of Warcraft in School wiki here, and then you can see other things that are going on as well. So anyway, that's a brief tour. So I'm dragging my window around. That's a brief tour of the Guild site, a little bit about 3D Game Lab and how quests work, and that should help you get started this year on your hero's journey. Have a great day.